Hey everybody, welcome to For the Love of the Hobby. I'm Nick. Do a little video blog here. I'm on my way heading over to meet Ben. We're going to do some trail running today. He's got his TRX4. I ordered my SCX 10.2 kit version. It's on its way. It'll be here Friday. I'm going to be running a Tekin brushed hand-wound motor, one of their pro versions, with a Tekin FXR receiver. I'm sorry, a Tekin FXR speed controller. And we have a Fly Sky 4-channel that I'm going to be running for the transmitter. I really like the Fly Sky controller. It's the touchscreen version, touchscreen one. So that's what I'm going to be running for the controller. So some of the plans that I have for the SCX 10.2, I bought a winch kit for it. I've got the Warn winch from, it's an RC four-wheel drive Warn winch with their wireless controller. I'm going to put that on. Some of the other upgrades I want to do are going to be some beadlock wheels. I haven't decided on beadlock wheels yet, but I don't want to go too crazy. I kind of like stock looking. I'm not sure how I want to paint the body yet. I've been looking at factory colors, thinking about ordering a factory color online and actually doing it in a factory color to keep it more scale. I don't want to just paint it fire engine red and say, hey, that looks cool. So I've been debating on doing the lift kit with 2.2 tires, but we've done that on another SCX 10, a standard SCX 10, and it was pretty brutal on the motor. The gearing we could never seem to get right, and the motor got really hot all the time and would shut down on us. So I'll probably stick with the 1.9s for now with beadlock wheels. I may go airless tires. I don't know yet. We have a lot of rocky areas, and I'd like a lot of grip. So if you guys have any suggestions for what you think I should do to it, let me know, and maybe we can throw it in a video and do something you guys suggest. Thanks.